Hello everyone.
I want to share with you today
A traditional steamed rice cake. It's full of shark fin patterns, so beautiful. Soft and delicate. Now let's boil the sugar water. Pour in 280 grams of water. 160 grams of sugar. 4 to 5 pieces of pandan leaves. Tied together. Put in pandan leaves. Take it to cook. Boil the sugar over low heat. Then cover and continue cooking. Let the pandan leaves slowly overflow the fragrance. While waiting, let's make rice batter. Put in 200 grams of rice flour. Add 200 grams of water. Add a small amount of water several times. Add while stirring continuously. Add all the remaining water. Stir until there are no lumps. The mixed rice batter should be a bit thick. Pandan leaf water has overflowed with a very fragrant fragrance. Pick out the pandan leaves. Weigh out 240 grams of pandan leaf water. Only need 240 grams of water. Slowly add the hot pandan leaf water to the rice batter. Mix until smooth. Then sieve. Cover to keep the temperature of the rice batter set aside. Now let's ferment the yeast water. Put in 1 teaspoon yeast. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of water. Stir well. Cover and let the yeast ferment for 20 minutes. While waiting, let's prepare the steamer. Steamer size is 7 inches by 7 inches, round or square can be used. Brush some oil around to prevent sticking, set aside. 20 minutes later. The yeast has been proved to very fluffy. The batter is still a little warm, about 40 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is too low, the cake will not rise properly. If the temperature is too high, the cake may develop a sour taste. Then add the yeast to the batter. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix well. Mix until smooth. Cover and let it ferment for 2 hours. After 2 hours. Now, preheat the steamer over medium heat. The batter that has been fermenting for 2 hours has already formed very fine and tiny bubbles. Mix. Then add 10 grams of corn oil. Mix. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Mix well. Take it to steam. After the water comes to a boil, place in the steamer tray and steam for a few minutes. After a few minutes, sieve the batter into the preheated tray. Mix well. Cover and steam on high heat for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, time is up, turn off the heat. The Snow White rice sugar cake is ready. A beautiful snow white sugar cake. Take it out and let it cool. After it cools, use a spatula to gently scrape along all four sides. It can be easily removed. Very beautiful shark fin pattern. Fermented beautifully. The structure is very delicate. Very soft. Very aromatic with a strong rice fragrance. Soft and chewy, it truly brings a satisfying feeling in your mouth. This is my recipe share here today. Hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching.